Hi, Gary O'Brien here from weeklymasterclass.com. Thank you very much indeed for watching this video. Now in this video I want to show you how to create a basic squeeze page to build a database of subscribers. Okay. Now for this video I'm going to presume that you have your images already and that you have a product to give away. Now first of all I want to show you the images that I have. I have a header image. Just bring it up on screen here for you. I have a header image and I have a box graphic image and I also have a footer image. Now if you don't have graphics already, there's a link under this video to where you can get good graphics. Now if you don't have a product and you're looking to build an online business, check out weeklymasterclass.com. It's totally free and it shows you how to start an online business from scratch. Now the first thing you need to do is download a HTML editor. Now I recommend Composer. It's totally free and it's perfect for what we need. There's a link under this video also to composer.net. Once you have it downloaded and saved to your desktop, you need to open it up and it will look something like this. Now the first thing we need to do is insert a table. Okay, so click Insert, click on Table and click on Precisely. Number of rows 1, number of columns 1, and the width around 750 pixels. Make sure pixels is selected. Click OK and this will insert a table for you. The next thing you need to do is click into the table and click Align Center. This will center the table for you. Next thing you need to do is click on Enter and this will scroll the table down the page and you will see the shape of your page coming together. Now we want to add a background color. To do this, click on Format, click on Page Colors and Backgrounds, click on Use Custom Colors, click on Background, select the color you wish, click OK and click OK. Now you will notice that all of the page has gone blue. We want the center piece to be white. So to change this, click on Format, click on Table Cell Properties, click on Table, Background Color, select the color you wish. I'm going to select white, click OK, Apply and OK. Now already you can see our page is coming together. Now the next thing we need to do is insert a header image. So place your cursor where you want the header image to appear and you can put some text if you want to mark it. Click on Image. You can browse for the image or insert the image URL if it's uploaded to your hosting. If you're not sure about images and how to upload them to your hosting and so on, check out weeklymasterclass.com as there are plenty of videos there showing how to do this. Browse for the image, search for the image folder, now I have the images inside a folder called Images, and select your header image. Select Don't Use Alternative Text and click OK. Now we want to do the very same for the footer. So again, place our cursor where we want our image to appear. Again, you can put some text to mark it if you wish. Click on Image, browse for that image and insert our footer. Click Don't Use Alternative Text and click OK. And already in just a few minutes we have a header, a footer, a background image and a template for our page. Now let's say we want to insert some text. Simply put the cursor where you want to put some text and type whatever you want to type. So for this example, generally a squeeze page is to give away a free report or a free gift. Okay, so I'm going to put claim your free gift. Okay, so you can make the text bigger and smaller by using the tools. You can bold it, underline it, or you can change the color if you wish. Okay, so I'm just going to select red. You can also change the text here, the look of it. Now for headlines I normally use Tahuma, okay, because it looks good. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is insert a box graphic. Now this would generally be your free report or your gift that you're giving away to build a database of subscribers interested in that topic. Okay, so again, place your cursor and you can mark it with a bit of text if you wish. Click on image, browse for that image and select your box graphic. Don't use alternative text and click OK. Now you can readjust the size of this image if you wish. You can drag it from each corner, or you can also edit the properties of the actual image itself, but we're not going to do that for now. Now the final piece of a squeeze page is putting an opt-in form on your page. Now I'm sure you've seen this before, where you visited a website basically looking to enter your name and email for a free report. Now before we can put an opt-in form on our page, we need to sign up for an autoresponder. Now there are many autoresponders out there, but I recommend Aweber. Now I'm not going to go into great detail in this video why you should choose Aweber, but just take my word for it, Aweber are the best out there, and you should not go with a free autoresponder. Unfortunately, Aweber does cost a few pounds every month, a few dollars every month, but you know, you can't run a business without Aweber. It's as simple as that. So the next thing we need to do is to sign up for an Aweber account. So let's head over to Aweber right now. Once you have signed up with Aweber, you need to log in. Now again, there's a link under this video to Aweber, and it's actually my affiliate link. Now if you sign up to Aweber using my affiliate link, I will refund you the commission that I get to make it a little bit easier for you. Now once you've logged into Aweber, click on create a new list. Now before we can create a web form, we need to create a list. Now as you can see here, it says list name. This is very much like searching for a domain name. If the name is already taken, you can't use it. So the name has to be unique to you. So in this case, I'm going to use Weeklymaster 4. Okay, and it says list name available. You need to give your list a description. So this can be anything you like. So I'm just going to call this Weeklymaster Test. You can insert your from name, so this is basically what people will see in your email, and an email address. Okay, so your own name, and I'm just going to use admin@weeklymasterclass.com. Okay, so there are lots of different options that you can do now, but I'm not going to go into this in great detail in this video for the sake of time. You know, if you want more information, please check out weeklymasterclass.com, and there are lots of videos there that go into great detail about Aweber. Notifications. This is basically, you can put your first name here and an email address when someone signs up to your list, basically. So I'm just going to use another email address here, admin@lightpagemaker.com, and click add. It's another one of my websites. Click on save list settings, and you can personalize your message that your subscribers will receive, and you can connect to Facebook and Twitter and so on, but we're not going to do this in this video. The purpose of this video is to create a web form and put it on our web page. So the next thing we need to do is click on web forms. Now if you haven't the customized verification message filled out, you will receive a message here saying that you must fill it out, but this can be edited at a later date. So click on create a new web form. Now the great thing about Aweber, it provides us with lots of different templates that we can use. This is the default template. I like to use a template called Tiny, and it's basically a white background. It fits into a page with a white background, and it looks well. You can basically change the size of the web form, but you can generally leave it around this size. You can edit the header and footer and so on. I would get rid of the header and footer and get rid of powered by Aweber email marketing. Once you're happy with your Aweber form, click on save web form and click on go to step 2. And again, you can choose different settings here for your thank you page. again, I'm not going to go into great detail about this. This can be edited at a later date. There's also lots of videos, as you can see down here, about Aweber and how to use Aweber. And again, if you want to find out more, check out weeklymasterclass.com. So click on Publish, and this gives you different options. You're looking for the option, I will install my form. This gives you two options of code, a JavaScript and a raw HTML. Now, the JavaScript is by far the easiest. The raw HTML is a big long code here, and if you're familiar with HTML code, by all means you can use this version, but I'm going to use the JavaScript as it's much easier, and I would recommend you do if you don't know much about HTML code. All you do is right click and select all, and right click and copy. This will copy the code that you need to paste into your page. Now you can paste this on a notepad document if you wish to, and save it for a later date, but I'm just going to go back to our page where I want the web form to appear. So for instance, if I want the web form to appear here, maybe I will put some text beforehand. Enter your name and email. Okay, and under that I want the web form to appear here. So just put a few X's where you want the web form to appear, and click on source code. Now we need to search for these X's and highlight the X's. Okay, make sure you get all of them, and Control and V or right click and paste will paste the Aweber form code. Click on normal view. Now you won't see the opt-in form appear in a HTML editor. This is because Composer only reads HTML language. But once your page is uploaded, you will see the form on your page. Now you will see, however, a script here written, okay, and you will know that your form is now on your page. So all you would simply do is click on File and save your page. Okay, so you can save as, and in this example I'm going to call it Weekly Masterclass Test 1, and click OK, and this will ask me where I want to save it, and you can save it on a project folder or to your desktop. Okay, and that's how easy it is to create a basic squeeze page in just a few minutes. And again, if you're looking for graphics, there's a link under this video, and if you would like more information, please check out weeklymasterclass.com. This is Gary O'Brien, and thanks very much for watching this video.